guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. So today in this video, I'd love to share with you how I made these floral floating candle holders. I made them with some cylinder vases that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and they came out absolutely lovely with the floral detailing on the outside, and I added some pearls for extra bit of glam. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to see new videos from me every week. If you are interested in how I made this, just keep watching. I will leave a complete list of everything I used in the description section below. So today I'm going to be using 2 cylinder vases that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, one 7 inches and one 9 inches. Also going to be using 2 prep bowls that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, wire ribbon, and I got that from Michael's. That's really pretty. Also, I'm going to be using this diamond wrap. I picked this up from Amazon. I picked up a big roll of this from Amazon, as well as some florals that I had laying around. I'm just going to pull those off and use those in my project today. And also I'm going to be using these 6mm pearls. This shade that I'm using is called, I think, pink, the pink shade. And I'm also going to be using my silver metallic Sharpie pen, and I'm going to use that to cover over any of the dark lines that are behind the diamond wrap. When you're working with glass, if you do not cover the black line or the darkness that's behind the wrap, it will show through your clear glass work. So today I'm going to be working with the smaller vase, the 7 I think it's 7 1/4 inches, guys. The wrap is about 14 rows wide, and I'm just going to use a little hot glue and place that in the center of the vase. So next, using a little hot glue, I'm going to wrap the wire ribbon around the center of the diamond wrap. Here I'm just going to pull away a few of the florals off the stem because I'm going to hot glue just the florals to the vase. As I hot glue the florals to the vase, I'm going to create a slight curved design. And this is what that looks like, guys. I did add more floral at the top and the bottom of my design. So now it's time to add these beautiful pearls, and I'm going to use these pinkish orange colored pearls. The size of the pearls again is 6 millimeters, and I'm going to be using a toothpick just to pick up the pearls. I'm going to slide it into the hole in the pearl. It's easy to pick up that way. And I'm going to apply it to the stamen of some of the florals. So now I'm going to use some of these pale pink pearls. I'm just going to scatter them around the front of the vase nearest to the flowers. I'm going to use about 8 on each side. I'm just trying to create a scattered like pattern. And guys, look how pretty that looks. I love the way that looks. So now I'm going to create the base for the vase. So here I'm going to use a 3-row diamond wrap and use a little hot glue and wrap it around the edge of the bowl. Now that this is done, I'm going to use a little hot glue and I'm going to attach the vase to the bowl. And guys, that's what that looks like. It came out absolutely lovely. I love the way this looks. And here it is set up in my home. And I used some of my own home decor that I made in other videos, and I'm just using that to accent the vases, but it came out absolutely beautiful. I love the way they look. The pearl accent looks really nice, and the floating candle gives it a nice glow. And this is what they look like without the risers, guys, just sitting there on my fireplace. Guys, I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate it. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Take care of yourselves, stay blessed, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.